Is TCL poised to be a challenger to the Samsungs and Apples of the world? Well, today we're going to have a look at the latest from TCL. This is the TCL 20 Pro 5G, their flagship phone. And it's got a lot of great features in it. But first, we have an exciting contest going where you can actually win one of these and a giant TCL flat screen TV as well. Do you want to find out how? Well, you gotta stick around till the end of the video. TCL 20 Pro 5G. This is a beautiful phone. It's got a Super AMOLED screen. It's coming in at 6.67 inches. If you compare that to the older TCL 10 Pro, it's just a little bit larger, but they've done a few different things. Not only does it have the larger screen, they've also have a different camera configuration on the back. They've gone vertical as opposed to landscape. As far as the cameras are concerned, it does have 4 on the back. It's got a 48 megapixel. It's got a 12 megapixel ultra wide. It's got a 5 megapixel macro, that's for getting in on close shots, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor to give you the best quality photos when it's taking photos like portrait photos. On the front, it's got a beautiful 32 megapixel selfie camera as well. It's also got a really neat feature called backlight selfie feature. So if you're taking pictures of yourself or you and your friends and the sun is behind you, which you're not supposed to do, it will actually enhance the photo for you. So I kind of appreciated some of the little features like that in the camera software. It is a very powerful phone with a powerful chipset in here, 750G. It's got 256 gigabytes of storage right out of the gate, which is pretty phenomenal, and a micro SD card slot, so you can add up to a terabyte of extra memory into this little guy. Something unique about this particular phone, unlike a lot of the newer ones coming out, it's also got a headphone jack up at the top. Don't see that much anymore, so I do appreciate that particular feature. Holding it in my hands, very comfortable. It's kind of got like a nice slender tall feature to it, so you don't really notice the extra size and making it too bulky. And again, as far as looking at it at an extended period of time, it's actually beautiful. It's got something called NXTVISION, so it upscales all the videos and the video games that you're playing on there to get the highest resolution. And it also filters out the blue light as well. So this is excellent, even in daytime now, for doing you know, an extended amount of reading on this. As far as the battery life, it's pretty good. It's got a 4,500 milliamp hour battery in it, so you're going to get some good life out of that. And it's got Qi charging, so it's able of fast charging, I think up to 15 watts from what I understand. And reverse charging as well. You can reverse charge other Qi compatible type devices on the back of the phone. Overall, I think they've done a great job with this particular model. You're going to find some great deals out there right now as well. They've got all sorts of offers when they first launch their phones, so you'll want to check that out. Let's get to the contest. We're giving away one of these bad boys. Again, the TCL 20 Pro 5G. It is a beautiful flagship smartphone using the Android operating system. And in addition, we're giving away a giant TCL flat screen TV as well. How can you beat that? So in the coming days, all you have to do is visit our website at GetConnectedMedia.com and all the details will be there. There's even chances to get extra entries to increase your chances to win. Good luck. Thanks for checking out our video. If you like tech, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and always hit that little notification icon so that you'll know when we come out with new content. Hey, we've got a lot of great tech videos, including new one on AirTags, a really good review on the good parts and some of the bad parts of it as well, so you'll want to check that out.